Morning students. Today we are going to start budget line. Budget line, what is a budget line? It is a graphical representation of all the possible units of two goods that a consumer can buy with his given level of income and with the given prices of these two commodities. So trying to understand budget line as it is given here graphically. Yes, A, B is the budget line. All the points on the budget line E, F, G, H, I, J. It represents the different combinations, different quantities of apples and bananas that can be purchased with the given level of income of the consumer. So let's take an example. If the consumer is having income of rupees 20 and the two commodities, apple being priced 4 rupee each and banana being priced at rupee 2 each, then what are the different combinations? How do we get these combinations? If consumer is purchasing only apples with his given income, so he can buy 5 apples with rupees 20 as the price of apple is 4 rupees each. So he is left with no money to buy bananas. He buys 0 bananas. Next, if you move towards point F where he is buying 4 units of apple, what is the cost of 4 units of apple? It is 16. And what money is left with the consumer? 4 rupees. And with 4 rupees, how many bananas he can buy? 2. So the combination is 4 apples and 2 bananas. We get the point F. Moving again towards point G, how do we get it? If the consumer is buying 3 apples here, so how much is the cost? 12 rupees. What is the money left out of 20? Yes, 8 rupees. With 8 rupees, how many bananas he can buy? 4 bananas. So he is spending the entire income actually. So when he is buying 2 apples, in the table if you see point H, 2 apples he is buying. What is the amount he is spending? 8 rupees. What is the amount left out of 20 rupees? 12 rupees. How many bananas he can buy with 12 rupees? 6 bananas he can buy. So the calculation money spent is given here. Price into quantity plus price into quantity. Okay. Next is I combination, where one apple is purchased by the consumer for rupees 4. He is left with 16 rupees. With 16 rupees he can buy 8 bananas. Okay. So we are now towards point J where he is not buying any apples. If he spend the entire amount on bananas, how many bananas he will purchase? 10 bananas. Okay. So we get the points by plotting it. Apples on x-axis, bananas on y-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And bananas we take the gap of 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Plotting it and then combining it, we get line AB, budget line. All the points on the budget line are the points where consumer is buying apples and bananas and spending the entire income. Point D inside the budget line, it indicates that the income is not spent fully. What is the point C outside the budget line? He cannot achieve this point because it is out of his budget. So the example given here for budget line, 20 rupees XY commodities, price is 10 rupees each. So if he buy 2 units of X, he spend the entire amount of rupees 20. If he buy 2 units of Y, he buy it with the entire amount of rupees 20 because it is 10 rupees each. So if he buy 1 unit of X, he can buy with the left amount, he can buy 1 unit of Y. So what are the possible bundles? 2 0 0 2 1 1. What is budget set? All the possible combination which consumer afford with his income and given prices. So all the points on the line E, F, G, H, I, J, these are the budget line. Along with these points, budget set also includes all the points under the budget line AB, because all the points in the area in this triangle OAB are affordable with the consumer, and it includes in the budget set. Now moving on to the budget line equation. So price into quantity plus price into quantity. Money is equal to price of commodity A into quantity of commodity A plus price of commodity B into quantity of commodity B. Okay, this is the same budget line expression being used in the fourth column, money spent. So if you see the algebraic expression for the budget set, M is greater than equal to, that is money spent is either greater than equal to this equation. Now what is the slope of budget line? Sacrifice upon gain. Unit sacrifice upon unit gain. So sacrifice is banana and gaining is apple. What is the sacrifice? For 2 units, 2 bananas, we need to sacrifice each time, needs to be sacrificed each time in order to gain 1 unit of apple. So 2 upon 1. A negative sign is sacrifice. So we ignore the negative sign. The value we get for the slope of budget line is 2. So slope of budget line is also equal to price ratio, that is the ratio of price of the two goods. What is the price of bananas and apples? 2 and 4. These are the prices. So price of apple 4 upon price of banana 2. It gives us 2 price ratio. So price ratio is equal to the slope of budget line. Now what is the property of budget line? It slopes downward and it is a straight line. Why does it slope downwards? Because when one commodity is increased in consumption, it will reduce the quantity consumed of the other commodity as the income of consumer is given. It is constant. Why it is a straight line? Because the slope is represented by price ratio and price ratio is constant throughout. The price ratio always remains the same throughout the different combinations because the price is not changing. If you change the quantity, the price remains the same. So price ratio remains the same throughout the budget line. That is why we say that it is a straight line. So these are the two properties. So what happens if income of a consumer increases? The budget line AB will shift towards point A1, B1. So the line completely shifts to the line A1, B1 because income increases. So these things are affordable to him. More quantities is affordable to him. If the income reduces, the budget line shifts leftward. So if we talk about prices of both the commodities reduce, what will happen to the budget line? Affordability will increase. If the prices reduce, affordability will increase for both the commodities and it shift rightward. Budget line shifts rightward. What happens if the prices of the two commodities increase? Affordability will reduce. So the budget line will shift leftwards. What happens if there is a change in the price of apples? Only one commodity price is changing. Banana point remains same. The budget line, the point on bananas will remain the same because there is no change in prices of bananas. Only apple prices is changing. So how the budget line will move? If the price increases for apple, what will happen? Budget line will shift from AB to A to B, because now not able to afford apples. Okay, what will happen if the decrease in price of apple is there? Affordability will increase, so we will move from point A to A1, and we are having a budget line shifted towards from AB to A1B. Now what happen if the change in price of bananas is there and the apple price remains same? There will be no movement on the x-axis. The point A remains same. And on the y-axis, what will happen? When the price of bananas reduce, the affordability increase, budget line shifts from AB to what happened? Prices are increasing. So what will happen? We are able to afford less. So from AB to AB2. And if the prices decrease, affordability will increase. What happen? We shift from AB to AB1. So this is the end of the topic. Thank you.